Updating your personal information on BigCommerce is essential for maintaining accurate account details and ensuring smooth transactions. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access various settings related to your account. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, find and click on personal information. This section contains all the details related to your name, email, and contact information. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the fields you wish to change, such as your name, email address, or phone number. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your personal information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information current on BigCommerce. Regular updates help ensure that your account remains secure and functional.